We started out together on the New York stage, and now you're in a movie. You'll be all the rage. Wow. Well, if you call us darling, and we're shades after dark, we will send you on a one-way, all expenses paid vacation. Here's a bit of friendly advice. Share some chocolates with Tom Hanks, but don't forget to say please and thanks. Don't go Hollywood on us. Don't pretend you're a star. Get in shape Eddie Murphy's way, but please don't mess with your DNA. Don't go Hollywood on us. Stay the same as you are. Last week you did Les Mis in Chicago. Next week I'm doing pizza with Spielberg. At school we'll call Alicia Silverstone on your cellular telephone. But don't go Hollywood on us. Let us give you a clue. Be wonderful, just be you. Look, Sharon Stone! Somebody stop me! I need a gold Mercedes, a personal trainer, a wardrobe consultant, a shrink. No! I need a plastic surgeon, a psychic. You can make it on talent. You think? Sure! I'll take a tour bus and see Bel Air. Sandra Bullock can drive you there. But don't go rushing towards stardom. You'll know when you've arrived. So don't go Hollywood. Don't go Hollywood. Don't forget where you came from and the shows we all did together. After Hollywood, maybe then come back and be a Broadway hit. Don't worry, I'll be back. Good morning, birds, good morning, trees. Oh, what a lovely day. The sun's so big, it hurts my eyes. But really, that's okay. A brand new day with things to do. So many plans to make. I've had 6 cups of coffee, so I'm really wide awake. I've always been a morning person, a morning girl. Hooray! Cheep, 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 cheep. Hooray! Cheep, 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 cheep. Hooray! Cheep, 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 cheep. Hooray! Good morning, dear. Say, have you heard? Today's my wedding day. I haven't met my husband yet, but I'm hopeful anyway. I'll wear a gown, we'll have a ball, and dance forevermore. He'll take me in his massive arms and spin me around the floor. I've always been a morning person, a morning girl. Hooray! Lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, 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 lollipop.
Boom, boom, boom.
Lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, lolly, lolly.
boom, boom, boom.
You're my baby lollipop, tell you why. His kiss is sweeter than an apple pie. And when he does a shaky rock and dance, man, I haven't got a chance. I call him lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, 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 lollipop, lollipop, ooh, lolly, 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 lollipop, a lollipop.